So hello people, how's it going? My name is Alex, and yeah, hello again. It's the new Alex with the bald hair, with no beard and a mustache and everything. Yeah, the fresh me. I'm giving myself a rebirth, Yeah, hopefully everything is great and really nice on your side. I do really wish that from the bottom of my heart. I'm being very much sincere about that. And yeah, wow, I'm in such a peace right now. You can't even imagine, guys. I just feel everything in a so different way. Yeah, I'm not losing my mind or anything. I'm still good. I'm having the Telegram VIP channel, which is going to be very much important and useful and necessary for you if you're trying to get into this road, if you're trying to get profit, if you're trying to become a trader, and if you are trying to connect your life and your income with the trading, then this Telegram VIP group, the link is going to be below in the description. It's kind of vital for you, so go ahead and use it unless it's free. Do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the horn. And yeah, let's start. Okay, let's go short here with $70. I'm playing with the euro and Japanese yen. So you can see the price bounced down from resistance at 167.060, and it's moving lower, breaking the fast moving average, and the Williams R shows, there is still room to drop. So why would I worry about it? Just going. Great. Oh, Mickey. Why am I having two different euro? Oh my god, I'm such a dummy. All right, 120 I'm using here, keeping the $14 right there. I'm gonna be playing for short again. You can see that we are having the hammer pattern with a large upper wick, and the next candle is over the red, so a sell signal. And a Williams R also confirms the drop, so sell trade. Easy. Yeah, guys, talking about all other things in life, don't care about others. You can't live this life the way you want if you are not on the first place in your list. If you don't put yourself in the first place, I believe you are not just living this life as you wish to. You're always going to be doing some other things for other people, forgetting about your wishes and desires. You see that? Okay, forget about it. Having 350 right now and going for long. You can see the price is steadily moving upward, and I expect the trend to continue, and the price is holding well above the all moving averages, so we're going for a buy. And by the way, guys, there were a few comments about my accent, that sometimes I speak in the British one, sometimes I speak American one. Guys, you know what is the main thing? I used to be making music, and sometimes I do make music, so my ears, they are very well trained, and they send to my brain whatever accent they hear. I'm watching a movie in English, which is American one and everything. The accent just stuck up with me for a week, I don't know, or even less or more. And that's it. I'm speaking in that, in an American way. It's very hard to control it, but if I want, I can do it. So $672 of profit now, and right now I'll try to use my British side. So let's see if it works. If you're gonna just appreciate it. Okay, Australian dollars and the francs right there. I'm having $500 I would like to bet. 500, going for short, I believe. Yeah, let's go for short. So you can see that after holding below, after holding below the resistance during a downtrend, a new wave of decline begins there. Damn it, great. $960 right there, which is quite good for me, Okay, let's go with our traveling Canadian dollars right there. Let's put like 750, I believe. That is gonna be a lot, but who cares? You can see the price. You can see that, right? Hopefully you see it. So the price broke below two moving averages and the middle line of the don't change channel. So I expect it to reach the lower channel line. And Williams saw also signal for a drop, for a short. Okay, who cares? I saw the candle was lagging, but didn't really expect us winning it. But oh yeah. Okay, so right now I'm not changing the amount. I'm just going for it long, and you can see that after the consolidation near the midline of the channel, price just begins to move up, and there is a strong close above key levels, and Williams R shows good form and a good space that will leave for growth, good room for growth. So why not use it? So buy trade, yeah. Oh, you know what I'm willing to do these days? Nothing. I guess I'm having some type of depression where I'm not really willing to do anything. And the best method of cureness and the best way to just get rid of that is just to really not to do anything for a couple of days. So you are irritated of being useless, and that's it. Here you go, $1,440. So I made $2,575 from $70 in this video. So so guys, oh my god, please, I'm just begging you for one thing: stay healthy, please. This is very much important, and the most important thing in your life and in everybody's life. Money and everything, all the things can be gained if you're just healthy enough to get it. Don't forget about it. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the Telegram. The link is going to be below in the description. I love you. You love me back. I know that. So subscribe to my YouTube channel as well and leave a like. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Peace.